In this video, I want to show you the brake fluid reservoir on your Acura MDX. So you're going to go over here. This is the engine, and on the top right corner, this is what you're looking for. So you're going to unscrew it and you're going to pour the fluid right there. I'll put links towards Amazon if you want to get it. It's much cheaper than going to the dealer, and most people can do it at home. Now, the only important thing that I need to mention is to never go above the max line. If you look closely over here, there's max being written. You should never pour too much liquid or not enough. The minimum line, I know it's hard to see, but it's right over here, minimum. So, okay, make sure it's sitting, as you see, right over here under the max. Once you're done, put back the cap, make sure it's staying tight. And this is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you like this type of video. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.